388 Western Road, Linfield Grove, 5 Light Travel.
We can trace our ancestry back hundreds of thousands of years to the dawn of humankind, but in reality, our story extends far further back in time.
Professor Brian Cox explores our intimate connection with the matter that makes up the universe.
Every piece of you and me was forged in the furnaces of space. Every atom in my body was once part of something else.
Wonders of the Universe continues this Sunday night at 9 on BBC Two.
I just read out the assurance being issued by President Obama that we're looking to worry about the nuclear power plants, but there is clearly a problem. It doesn't seem to be too acute at the moment, but the AP wire service reports that the pressure is rising at one particular power plant after its cooling system failed. It's inside the reactor at the Fukushima No. 1 power plant. It is 1.5 times the level considered normal. To reduce the pressure, they're saying slightly radioactive vapor may be released. They're saying this is not toxic enough to have any impact on the environment or health. Although 3,000 residents living near the plant have been told to leave, and they're trying to get water supply to the plant to cool things down. But they say there is no prospect of immediate success. So clearly, that's a story we'll have to keep an eye on. The earthquake, well, it's early hours of the morning there now, so not a lot of figures coming out of Japan, but we do know that it had a magnitude of 8.9. It's the biggest in 140 years. We know that 500 people are missing, more than 300 appear dead. The final figures may indeed be much larger than that. And then, of course, there's the tsunami, which has gone across the Pacific, and we've had warnings as far away as Australia and South America, and indeed the western coast of America. Rajesh Merchandani is in Los Angeles. Has it got there yet, Rajesh?
In some places, yes, it has. In further north, around sort of Santa Cruz, which is the San Francisco Bay Area, and north of that, we started to see these tsunami waves come in, and those areas were under a tsunami warning, which meant that some residents were evacuated from coastal areas. We're seeing waves of about 3 feet high, so that's not particularly high, but they still have the potential to do damage. In the Santa Cruz harbor, some boats came loose of their moorings in the marina, and they've been tossed around the bay there. That's about the extent of it, to be honest. Further north, in Crescent